Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. After a long time I have done a creative makeup tutorial, and as you can see this is the look which I'm going to show you in a while. And if you are new in my channel, hi, my name is Shati. I always come with makeup tutorials, and if you're interested then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button, and that's gonna mean a world to me. And now without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm starting with eye primer, and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm blending it with this damp beauty blender, and as you can see that I have done with my eyebrows. I have completed my eyebrow off camera. Today I'm going to use this pretty all set eyeshadow palette after a long time. I'm taking this shade. And I'm pressing that same color on my outer third. Now I'm taking this brush and I'm taking this color from here, and I'm trying to diffuse the color. Taking some yellow shade. Now I'm going to create a half cut crease, so I'm using this Kohl makeup cover in the shade 221. I'm taking some product back of my hand. Now I'm blending this with a flat foundation brush. Taking that dark green shade and I'm going to add that here. And adding some green. Adding some light green shade and blending it. For this white area I'm going to use this shade. So now I'm going to add some glitters, and I'm going to use this Delancey glitter palette. Now I'm going to add this glitter. This also. And now I'm going to use these glitters, and for these glitters I need to use a glitter base first, so I'm going to use this NYX glitter primer. I'm taking that glitter on this brush and I'm going to press that. Taking the dark green shade again and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm going to tighten up my waterline, so I'm using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Taking this shade again to highlight my inner corner and inner third of my lower lash line. And now using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Radiant Highlighter palette to highlight my eyebrow bone. time for some mascara. So I'm using this Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. So this eye look is completed. Now I'm quickly going to complete this eye. I'm gonna put some lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my eye makeup. Now I'm going to complete my face makeup. So for primer, I'm going to use this M.A.C Fix Plus. So my face required some color correction, so I'm gonna do color correct on my under eye area, around my nose and mouth area. So I'm going to use this orange concealer by LA Girl. So I have taken some product on my finger and going to blend that. Most of the women have some discoloration around her nose area and mouth area. So I also have the same. For foundation, I'm going to use this Makeup Studio Amsterdam Professional palette, and I'm going to take this and this two shades together, and I'm going to apply that with this flat brush. As you can see, this foundation has a really good coverage. Now I'm blending it with my beauty blender. My foundation perfectly blended. Now I'm going to do some highlighting. I'm going to take this shade to highlight my under eye area. Some on my forehead, some on my chin, and some on here, and also on my nose bridge. Now again I'm taking this beauty blender and I'm blending it properly. Now quickly I'm going to set my under eye area with the help of this Kryolan TL4 powder. Now it's time to do some bronzing. So I'm going to use this Sivanna bronzer, and I'm taking this shade. And also on my jawline. And also I'm going to use this shade from this pretty also eyeshadow palette as my blush today. Taking this highlighter to highlight my face. Now I'm going to use this M.A.C Fix Plus to set my makeup. For lip, I'm going to use this Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Take a Pixie. One thing I totally forget to do, that is nose contouring. So I'm taking that Sivanna bronzer again and I'm just doing that. And also going to highlight my nose using the same highlighter. And now I'm going to add some gloss. So I'm going to use this Sugar Time to Shine gloss in the shade Princess Aurora. So that's my final look completed, and I am loving this look right now. You guys let me know that you like this look or not in the comment section. And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't follow me yet, then please do follow. I'm going to share the links on the description box below. And now I'm going to share some of my previous works. If you like to watch these also. And now I'm going to wrap up here and soon going to meet in my next tutorial. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.